Hey everybody, Darren Reeves here with another DP Minute for you on comment number 49 out of the QMSR Preamble. And we're going to be talking about definitions again, and the FDA pretty much has the same response as well. Comment number 49. Comments requested the FDA reconsider the scope of 820.10. Remember, that was with the initial draft, suggesting that its requirements be limited to Class 3 devices, devices that require traceability, or to implantable devices with an alternative traceability requirement developed for non-implantable devices, because it's saying that the risks associated with those different types of devices are different and they're not necessarily the same. Comments asked FDA to define specific terms in 820.10, including the phrase life support system, and to explain how firms are to determine which devices support or sustain life. So again, they're getting into the original draft, what changes they think should be made and what definitions the FDA should supply. FDA's response is FDA considers the scope of devices subject to this provision under the final QMSR to be substantially similar to the scope in the QS regulation and declines to limit the scope of this provision. They also state FDA has revised the clarification of concepts provision in 820.3 to explain the term implantable medical device as used in ISO 1345 has the same meaning as implant as described above and defined in 860.3. So there's other areas in the regulation that the FDA says defines these terms adequately, so they're not going to redefine them in the new QMSR. So just like they said before, and that they have been saying, is that they're not really going to make any changes to 1345. They're trying to adopt it as is with adding a couple little things in addition from a regulatory standpoint in order to globally harmonize with the rest of the world. So there you go. There's the DP Minute for today. Darren Reeves, President, DP Distribution and Consulting, and we'll see you next time.